If you're on your way to the office or traveling with family and suddenly your car tire goes flat or loses air pressure and there's no gas station in sight, what would you do? I understand. It's an extremely frustrating situation. Wouldn't it be great if you had something that could get your tire back in shape in just a few moments? If so, you definitely want to keep that tool in your car at all times. That's exactly what the Hafuloky Portable Air Compressor. The Hafuloky Portable Air Compressor offers a simple solution. This lightweight battery-powered inflator is built for fast, efficient inflation of car tires, bikes, motorcycles, and sports balls. With a 25,000 mAh battery and max pressure of 180 psi, it inflates tires quickly and reliably. Its automatic shut-off ensures that the tire stops inflating once it reaches the preset pressure, giving you peace of mind. This inflator is easy to use with a clear LCD pressure display and several inflation modes tailored for different needs. The built-in LED light makes it convenient for nighttime use or emergencies. Compared to similar products, Hafuloky stands out with its faster inflation speed and long battery life. It's a versatile, cost-effective option for those who need a reliable tool for tire maintenance, perfect for keeping in the car or for outdoor use. If you want a fast, portable, and user-friendly tire inflator, the Hafuloky is a great option. Keep your journeys smooth and stress less, avoid roadside emergencies, and save time with this all-in-one solution. To buy this product, check out the link in the description or visit my bio.